Hey, what's up, everybody? It is going to be like day number 14 for VEDUC. I know I've kind of missed some. I just kind of ran out of content. But today we've got to wash some cars. They're pretty filthy. Joey's car is here, and he hasn't washed it in a while. He's been off of college, and it is just like filthy. You just like zoom in on it. I mean, zooming in on it. You can just see the grime. You can just see it. You just see it. It's supposed to be white. Yeah, it don't look so white anymore. So let's go ahead and let's get the car shuffle going, because I'm gonna wash his first, and then I'm gonna wash my truck. So time for a car shuffle. I got it all moved, but I got a lot of work to do. It's pretty grungy in here. Yeah. I mean, I don't blame him. It used to be the exact same way. Let's get the vacuuming. I've got the interior done, so now I gotta obviously set up the hose and everything. Once I get that going, we'll get there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the hose going and drag out the pressure washer and everything, and yeah, I gotta get it all going. Then we'll get all the good chemical guy soaps coming up. I just want to say, yes, you'll see it in this time-lapse footage, I did use Windex. I'm sorry, I forgot to grab interior cleaner, and I know, get mad at me, crucify me, whatever, I don't care. I was just trying to do it real quick and get it taken care of. I'm not going to drive the half an hour to the nearest chemical guys to get the interior cleaner stuff that I like to use. That'll be another video. And actually, you know what, I'll probably put that in the video for that, and I'll do that one tomorrow or whatever, because it's mine. I got to get it done. So yeah, alrighty, let me get this all going, and then we'll get straight to hitting the car with foam. Alright, so we got everything set up. Oh, I got it zoomed in. Oh, I'm zooming it in. So, alright, so we can zoom way out. Alright, so I'm gonna wash wheels. Just gonna wash some wheels, and then after some wheels, yeah, we're gonna get to the fun part, the foam can. Alright, so we got the wheels clean, and then right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray it up with soap, and you know what, we got like this. So like, try and get a good clip or two. Yeah. Got the washing done. At this point, you know, I did the door jams. I don't know. I have a hard time filming all this by myself. I guess I just kind of suck at it. But this is something that I really enjoy, and it's therapeutic to me. Helps me like center myself and just like calm down and everything. So I'm gonna rinse, and we're gonna dry. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm just gonna hit it with like a quick spray. I'm not gonna wax. That's his job to wax. I will be waxing my truck tomorrow though for the next video. And yeah. So let me get to rinsing and then I can get to drying. All right, so I'm done. Kind of hard to tell. It's dark now. But if you're gonna come on up close to it, you can see that pearl shining through. That wasn't, you couldn't see that before. And I know it's kind of dark. I'm sorry, this took forever. Like I'm about 2.5 hours into this, so. But yeah, we're having fun. The car looks awesome. At least for what it is. I mean, this is what happens when you give a teenager like their first car. So like, it's not perfect, but it's his first car. And he just needs to learn to take care of it. But I'm gonna have to do the shuffle, move everything back, and then I will see you all for the next video where we wash my truck. I'm gonna try and do a lot better. We'll see how much better I can do, but we'll see. Peace.